Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to join Facebook. I'm going to tell you a easy and safe way to join Facebook. So without wasting time, let's start. So first of all, open your Facebook application. Here you see a login or create a new account. So tap on create a new account, then press on get started. After that, you saw a interface as what's your name. So type your name with which you want to make your profile. So I'll going to make my profile as Sunny Jat. So I'll write Sunny in my first name and second name or surname as Jat. So after that, you saw what's your date of birth. So my date of birth is 11th of April 2004. So I will choose it. You have to select your gender. As I am male, so I will select male, but if you are female, then you have to select your female. After that, you have to write your mobile number on which you are going to make your Facebook ID. So first of all, write your country code, then type your number and press next. In this number you will get a confirmation code. After that, you see a password, so create a password. Try to make a strong password. After typing password, you can also save your login info in your mobile device. After that, Facebook will show its term and policies and you have to agree on it to use Facebook. So I press I agree button right here. So here we go. After some second, there is a confirmation code on my number which I put it, and it says 87890. Then I will type this in confirmation code box. After that, I'm ready to use my Facebook account. So if I want, I will add a profile picture and use it, but I will skip at a time. So welcome to Facebook, Sunny Jat. Thank you. Okay, next. Here I can choose my friends, and here we go. So here is my profile. I still did not uploaded any picture to my profile. So here we go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel for further cool tutorials. Bye bye.